This 2018 Keystone Alpine 3500RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features a forest floor, Irongate interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.